Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Vidya for Success. Dear students, in this video let us solve a problem for hypergeometric distribution. I hope you do remember the parameter of hypergeometric distribution. The parameter are A, B and N. There are three parameters. Please notice the question here. A pond has 30 fishes. So, how many fishes a pond has? A pond is having totally 30 fishes, among which 10 are marked ones. So, out of these 30 fishes, 10 fishes are marked ones. They are marked using some color or something like that. Okay, so they are marked fishes. So, we came to know that complete within this particular pond there are 30 fishes. These 30 fishes are classified into two categories depending upon the characteristic marked. So, 10 fishes are in the category of marked and remaining 20 fishes are in the category of unmarked. Okay. So, that is a basic understanding we need to come up with this particular problem. Followed by this, 4 fishes are caught from the pond. So, out of these 30 fishes, 4 fishes are caught. So, we are drawing how many fishes from 30 fishes? We are drawing only 4 fishes. 4 fishes are caught from the pond. So, now find the probability that 2 of them are marked ones. So, out of those 4 fishes caught from the pond, what is the probability that 2 of them are marked? That we need to find. Followed by that, also find the mean and variance. We need to find the mean and variance of marked fishes. Okay, so the fishes which are marked, we need to find those mean as well as variance. So, by these data, let us solve the question. So, what is the given data here? So, the given data is solution. Given that what is given? A, that is number of units which possess a particular characteristic. Here there are 30 fish. Out of 30 fish, only 10 fishes are marked. That is one characteristic. So, only 10 fishes are marked. So, A is 10. Then what about B? B is equivalent to 20 because we know how many fishes are there in the pond. So, N minus A is, that is B is equal to N minus A, that is 20. And also we also know what is N. Sample, we have drawn some units out of the pond, some fishes out of the pond. How many fishes we have drawn? We have drawn 4 fishes. With this basic understanding, let us solve the question now. First, we need to define the random variable x. That is the first duty. So, what is x here? X indicate number of fishes. Which particular fish we are talking about? Whether marked or unmarked, we are talking about marked fishes. So, here x indicates number of marked fishes. Number of marked fishes drawn from the pond. Drawn or taken from the pond. I hope you are understanding this. Now, followed by this, the probability mass function we need to define for hypergeometric distribution. What is a PMF? General form. ACX BCN minus x divided by A plus BCN, where what value x can take? It can take 0, it can take 1, 2 up till minimum A comma n. Minimum it can take n value, but there are n units within the population. So, okay, minimum it can take n units, but there are totally A units present within the population. It means, let us go with the customized version for this. P of x is equal to, what is the a value here? 10cx. B value is 20c 4 minus x divided by 10 plus 20, that is 30c 4. Where, what is x? X 1, 2. What is x here? Number of marked fishes. There were 30 fishes in the pond. Out of them, only 10 of them were marked. We have drawn only 4 from the pond. So, what is the chance? How many of them can be there in a sample of 4? At the most, there can be, so sample size is 4, but in the pond there were 10 marked fishes. So, at the most, there can be minimum, this can be boiled down to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the sample, we have drawn only 4 fishes. There can be situation where none of them can be marked. There can be only 1 marked fishes. There can be 2, there can be 3, there can be 4. That is nothing but all the drawn fish from the pond can be marked 1. Now, let us solve the first question. What is the first question? Probability that, what is the chance of 2 marked fishes? Drawing 2 marked fishes. 2 fishes are marked. Probability of 2 are marked fishes. Marked fishes. That is, what is a value here? 10c2, 20c, 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 30c4. Okay. Here the probability we are finding, x will take 2, not less than or greater than, exactly 2. So, that is why we will be going this version. Okay. So, which is 10c2 is 45 into 20c2 is 190 divided by 30c4 is 27,405. If you solve this, the answer is 0.312. 0.312. That is, the probability that out of 4 fishes drawn from the pond, exactly 2 of them will be marked is 0.312. It's the first answer. Second one, we have been asked to find mean as well as variance. So, what is the mean? Mean formula is n into AB, NA divided by A plus B. N value, what is the sample size? 4. 4 into A value is 10 divided by A plus B is 10 plus 20 is 30. So, that is 40 by 30. So, 40 by 30 means it is 1.33 is the mean. 1.33 is the mean. Now, let me come up with the variance value. Now, what is the variance formula? I hope you do remember the formula for variance of a hypergeometric distribution. Variance is equivalent to AB into A plus B minus N divided by A plus B whole square into A plus B minus 1. This is the variance value. Sorry, I have forgotten here. I need to add n. N into AB into A plus B minus n divided by A plus B whole square into A plus B minus 1. Okay. So, let us substitute the values. N value is 4, A value is 10, B value is 20 into 10 plus 20 minus 4 divided by 10 plus 20 to the power 2, 10 plus 20 minus 1. Okay. If you solve this equation or this particular expression after substitution, you will be getting the value 0.7969. This is the variance. Okay. So, for this particular problem, we have found the probability. Along with that, we have also found what is the mean and variance. Thank you.